Poetry Writing for Kids. Topic 6. Writing an acrostic poem. A poem can be a collection of words that expresses feelings or ideas, sometimes with a specific meaning, sound, or rhythm. An acrostic poem is a poem created from letters or phrases of the poet's choice. The words spell out a name, word, or phrase when written vertically. Typically, the first letter of each line create a word or phrase based on a subject or a specific word. These words or phrases describe the theme of the poem. Common themes for acrostic poems are names, but they can also describe a topic or subject. Even if your subject is big, it is important to focus on one small thing when writing an acrostic poem. You can use your 5 senses to focus on the topic of your poem and help your readers imagine your poem in their minds. This poetic device is called imagery. Imagery is a poetic device that uses descriptive language to interest a reader's 5 senses through taste, touch, smell, hearing, or sight. Watch my video, What Are the Elements of Poetry?, to learn more about this element of poetry. Let's take a look at an acrostic poem by John P. Reed. This poem uses sentences or phrases to describe the topic or subject. Friends. Friends are precious gifts, rare and hard to find, invisible when life is good, ever near when your sun doesn't shine. Nothing is ever too much, distance never too far, standing by your side when your dreams have passed you by. Now, let's look at the structure of this poem. This poem uses phrases or sentences to describe a topic. Each line is related to the topic of friends. Each line uses the first letter of the word friends, but had phrases to describe the topic. Acrostic poems can also focus on a name or subject, but use only one word to describe that topic or subject. Now, I will write my own acrostic poem. First, I will need to brainstorm a subject or theme for my poem. I think I will write about the season, spring. Then, I will write the name of my topic or subject vertically. Next, I will need to brainstorm some of the words that describe spring and choose the words that start with the first letter of my topic word. I will need to choose whether I will write an acrostic poem that uses just words or sentences to describe my topic or subject. I think I will write my sonnet using both. Last, I will need to put my words together so that my poem follows the correct structure of an acrostic poem. Let's try it. My topic is spring. Sunshine, poppies, rain, insects, nest, growth. All right, I just wrote an acrostic poem using only words. I used words that describe my subject, and I put my words together so that my poem follows the correct structure of an acrostic poem. I could also use sentences or phrases to describe my topic. It would look something like this. Sun's warmth on my face so bright, perfume of flowers in flight, rustling leaves a sound of delight, ice cream taste a sweet bite, nature's touch soft as a kite, grass feels like a bed light. All right, I just wrote an acrostic poem using phrases. I used imagery to interest my reader's senses through taste, touch, smell, hearing, and sight. This poem also rhymes, but acrostic poems do not have to rhyme. Now, it's your turn. First, you will need to brainstorm a subject or theme for your poem. Then, you will need to write the name of your topic or subject vertically. Next, you will need to brainstorm some of the words that describe your subject and choose the words that start with the first letter of your topic word. You will need to choose whether you will write an acrostic poem that uses just words or sentences to describe your topic or subject. Last, you will need to put your words together so that your poem follows the correct structure of an acrostic poem. Would you like to learn how you could write any type of poem? Then be sure to check out the next video in this series called Writing a Limerick, to learn how you can write your own limerick from start to finish. If you like this video, then check out Miss Dorismond's Virtual Corner for even more. If you are a teacher, you can follow Miss Dorismond's Virtual Corner on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and TPT. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.